In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Lovable. We'll walk through how to get to your projects, share a preview link for quick viewing, and then download the actual project files from the code view. I'll keep it simple and point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to lovable.dev. Once the site loads, head to the area where you can see everything you're working on. Look for the All Projects option. This shows a clean list of your projects so you can quickly find the one you want. Click into the specific project you're planning to download. If you want to quickly share what you've built without sending files, use the Share Preview option inside the project. This opens a simple sharing panel. Choose Copy Preview Link to place a ready-to-share link on your clipboard. That link is perfect for teammates or stakeholders to view your project in a browser, exactly as it looks right now. It's a fast, lightweight way to get feedback or show progress without passing around files. Keep in mind this is a view-only link, not a download, so it's best for review and testing. When you need the actual files, use the code route. Inside the same project, switch to the code section. This view shows the structure and contents of your project, so you know exactly what you're exporting. In the top right corner, look for the download file control. Click it, and Lovable will package up your project's code for you to save to your computer. This gives you a local copy that you can open in your editor, archive for safekeeping, or hand off to a developer. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're working from the correct project before you download, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Use the preview link for fast collaboration and sign-off, then download from the code view when you're ready to keep a local snapshot or continue development outside Lovable. If you don't see the download option, double check that you're in the code section and that you have the right access to that project. That's it. Go to Lovable, open all projects, choose your project, copy the preview link if you want to share, and download from the code view when you need the files on your machine. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move your work from Lovable to wherever you need it next with confidence.